Hello to everyone who is watching my video, and also welcome to the people who has seen my videos on C programming and database engineering. So this is my third series of videos for data structure. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rupesh Deka. I have around 20 years of experience both in IT industry and academics. I have worked in the organization like Infosys, startup company like Monument System Private Limited. Also, in academics, I have been associated with Manipal, Kale University, and Gandhi Group of Institutes. Okay, so I have around 10 research papers and around 15 plus published patent. Out of that, one particular patent has been also been recognized. And data structure has been one of my core subjects from the time uh, I I started my career in academics and also in the industry itself. So let me tell you one thing. This is one of the most important subject in computer science. Yes. So if you want to be a very good developer, then data structure plays a very important role. Because the reason is that entire program is data structure is something which actually how you represented the data in a more efficient way so that both insertion, deletion, when you talk about the retrieval also, retrieval of the data itself, storage of the data, how efficiently we can do is all about data structure. So when you are talking about program, you will be always be associated with data. So data representation is very important so that the efficiency of the program also increases. So in this particular, series, I'll be starting from introduction to data structure and then moving to all the aspects of linear data structure, non-linear data structure and all. Apart from that, in my video, you will going to see implementation of the concept itself. So I will be taking initially I will be starting my video with C programming. Okay, implementation of data structure concept in C programming, and slowly I will move into the object-oriented programming also, implementing the same data structure concept using C++ and Java also. So I hope you will going to like my videos and do subscribes and do people on the notification so whenever I will be uploading my video in my channel, so you can easily view the videos. Apart from that, I will be very love to hear from you regarding any kind of suggestions that you like to put forward uh, 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 on my videos, or also if you want that if you wish that some other subject in which you feel that I may able to contribute in creating the videos, you may also suggest that. So having said this, I thank you all for joining my channel, and I wish that you will have a very wonderful experience going through my video. You will going to learn a lot, and I hope that interacting with you people also will also help me in building my more knowledge base itself. So thank you so much, and do keep subscribing my video. Do be comment, likes, and do share with your friends. And also I want your feedback, so anytime you feel, you can reach out to me. I'm there in LinkedIn, I'm there in Facebook and all. My name is, again, I'm telling you, Bhupesh Deka, so you can always reach to me. If you want, you can drop a mail to me at bhupesh.deka, bhupesh.deka, bhupesh dot deka @gmail.com. And I hope if you sometimes if you require any kinds of one-to-one interaction also, I'll be also always be available for you. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best and happy learning.